Today, my 6-year-old daughter and I are in the beautiful city of Dubai, and we're going to embark on a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. We're going to check out what was once the world's only 7-star hotel, the Burj Al Arab. Now, being that my daughter is a lover of all things fancy, I couldn't pass up the opportunity to tour the King and Queen suites, which together would cost an eye-watering $50,000 a night. This is literally the nicest hotel in the world, and we are taking a behind-the-scenes tour right now to see what it's all about. I am excited. What do you think?
Cool.
Cool? Even the lobby's cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
And this isn't the hotel lobby. This is the lobby just for the tour. You ready for the fanciest day of your life?
Yeah.
Our accidentally private tour started with our new friend Hamza driving across the exclusive 340-meter-long bridge leading to the man-made island that the hotel sits on, and effectively keeping the regular tourist away from the ultra-wealthy clientele of the Burj Al Arab.
Enjoy the rest of the experience. Ali, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Some rose water for your hands.
Yeah.
There you go. Let's start with you. There you go. Just gently rub it against your hands. There you go. Just go ahead and have a sip.
Thank you very much. It is like 110 degrees outside, or I think it's 97, feels like 110. So being in here feels pretty dang good. This is already remarkable. They do a really good job of everything they do here. The first thing that struck us was the gorgeous architecture of the hotel lobby. Being that this is a 20-year-old hotel, you would expect it to feel really outdated, but it was designed to be so awe-inspiring that even 2 decades later, my daughter described it as a total mind explosion. Her words, not mine. Look how fancy all this is, Ellie. Thank you. Wow.
So these elevators are slightly faster, so you might have your ears popping a little bit.
Okay.
Or it's only 47 seconds.
That is going so fast. And Ellie, right out there, that's the Atlantis. That's where we drove the Lamborghini today. Whoa, Ellie, what do you think of this room?
Cool.
It's pretty cool, huh?
So this is the 25th floor of Burj Al Arab. Again, because of the design concept of the hotel, this is not the 25th floor. So each suite in Burj Al Arab spans over 2 floors. Making this the 50th floor. Burj Al Arab is 321 meters tall, and it stands 280 meters off the mainland, which is the Jumeirah Beach.
Okay.
So around 2 years of construction was spent on the island only, and then 3 years to construct the hotel itself. I'll lift you up a little bit, okay? Then I want you to tell Daddy what you're looking at. So now we're about to step into the most exclusive part in the entire hotel.
Okay.
This is called the Royal Suite. When you're staying here, you will get your own private butler, and you also get a chance to dine in with your own private chef. This is an average price of around $25,000 per night. So there's something I want you to do for me. I want you to knock this door as hard as you can. You think you can do that for me?
Can you knock on it?
Yeah? Oh, I hope you knock it. Come on, let's knock together.
Come on, Ellie, knock on it.
Welcome to the Royal Suite, the jewel in the crown of the Burj Al Arab. Please come in, I've been expecting you. So my name is Jagel, and what's yours? Ellie. Perfect. So I'll be your butler throughout your journey here. And it's my job to make you feel like a superstar. Before we start, how do you find the entrance hall? Do you like it?
Yeah, beautiful.
Beautiful, yeah?
Okay.
Are ready to start? Perfect. The first room here is the living room. Get ready for the burst of colors.
Whoa. Look at how fancy that is, Ellie.
And the Japanese screen right there, that dates back to the 19th century, that's over 200 years. Alright, so the gold TV right here, when the Burj Al Arab opened in the year 1999, this is still the original TV.
Okay.
24 karat, 55 inch and 55 kilograms as well.
Okay, so 24 karat gold TV.
Exactly, yeah.
All right. You gotta really like TV.
Exactly. So the Burj Al Arab has a total of 199 suites.
Okay.
And it's all in 2 floors. That's why whenever you check in here, there's always the staircase inside your suite. For now, let's see the bedrooms upstairs. It is the pink room. Would you push the door, please?
Push.
Perfect, thank you. Woo.
Whoa. That is very pink.
Actually, the first design of this room was rejected by the ruler of Dubai because he thinks it's not really pink enough.
Okay.
That's why Kwanchu added more pink and color on the carpet, sofas, as well as on the pillows. Alright, then this with a separate bedroom for the king and the queen. The first bedroom right here is Ellie's room. The queen's bedroom.
Whoa. Whoa, Ellie.
Okay, I'm gonna take a bubble after there.
All right, jump in.
No!
Thank you. Alright, so this is the master's bedroom. Ellie, you can sit over here.
Whoa. Ellie, look at me. You're on a spinning bed. That's the fanciest thing I've ever seen. Are you gonna go into the hidden room? I'm just kidding. Alright, Ellie, gonna see another fancy bathroom?
So here it's all surrounded by the Versace marble. It's the same in the Versace stores. This is Sienna marble. And all of the carpets here from India. All of the marbles from Italy, from the lobby up to the very top. The curtains, fabrics from royal suppliers in London. And of course, over here, then the Japanese toilet. So which one do you like, Ellie? The queen's room or the king's room?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Both.
They both have good things, don't they? I feel like there's so much we could say about every little piece and every little detail in these rooms, but basically, if it looks gold, it is. And if it looks nice, it's from some other country. And it just comes from all over the place, and this is one of the most beautiful rooms ever. This is insane, and you can see the Palm Island out there. Look at this. Okay, so this is the closet. It's a pretty nice closet. That is not small. Wow. What do you think, Ellie?
Cool.
Would you want to get dressed in here?
Yeah.
All right, keep your clothes on. Let's go.
Oh man. Well, I brought a change of clothes. No, I didn't.
We're not changing in the dressing room.
Alright, so we've seen the bedrooms, dressing rooms, bathrooms. What do you think behind this door? Any guesses?
Entertainment, bar?
Entertainment. It could be.
Yeah. What do you think?
Are you
We'll
hungry,
see.
Ellie?
Ooh.
Kitchen.
Kitchen, the dining room.
Whoa. So those flowers are from Holland and shipped in every week. Hey, Ellie, do you feel pretty special?
Yeah.
Kwanchu added these animal prints like leopards, jaguars, and representation of His Highness Sheikhs.
Okay.
Yeah, the pets.
Because he has all those as pets.
Exactly, that's true.
Okay.
The last room here is the library. The library has its own dressing room and a bathroom because this room can be converted into the third bedroom.
So the whole room, this mirror is centered, but this over here is off-centered, just so they could have that giant globe there in the corner and be a little bit more fancy. What did you do? Crazy architectural things like that just to be a little more fancy?
Yeah.
I thought you would.
So what we've seen here from the lobby, the atrium up to here, it is what it is since 1999.
Okay.
They never changed all the design. And for the first time in history, and that would be next year, we will be having the first renovation.
Okay.
So right now, it's all about the four elements: earth, water, air, and the fire. But next year we don't have any idea yet, but that
Okay.
would be a surprise.
Okay.
But the same team, the same architect, the same designer, Kwan Chu.
So what he's saying is this is the last time you can see this room like this, so that's pretty special. That we get to kind of step back into time here and see what it was like 20 years ago. And it still holds pretty well today.
Right, moving on to the museum.
All right.
Right, the experience suite. Technically the second royal suite, but right now it's a museum.
Okay.
Or more on an exposition. You will know here the history of Burj Al Arab as well as some interactive activities. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Enjoy the
Jacob?
rest of your tour.
Is that how you say it? All right, thank you so much. Okay, so we didn't really know what to expect with this tour, but man, seeing that that giant room across the hall over there, the King and Queen suite, what did you think?
Epic.
It was epic. It really was.
Pretty groovy.
What? Pretty groovy. How old are you? The fact that that room was 20 years old and still was that modern and just beautiful and like majestic almost shows how forward-thinking this whole place was. You just still want to take a bubble bath, don't you? So now we're in the museum. Check this out. That is insane.
That's just them making the beat.
Yeah, look at that. There's excavators down there moving dirt to build out the island because it's washing away. Because this whole island is man-made. But there is downtown Dubai with the Burj Khalifa sticking way above everything else. It's hard to believe that this thing was made 20 years ago. I remember when it was brand new, I saw a thing all about Oprah staying here. But you don't even know who Oprah is, do you?
Nope.
Yep, I'm old. That's gold tile and somebody stole one because people are terrible.
That's Kitty Cat Island. See,
What
it's
is?
2 kitty ears and it's a nose.
That over there is Kitty Cat Island?
Yeah.
You can kind of see it if you turn it like that. It looks like a kitty cat.
Yeah, looks like
Wait, maybe it's Batman Island.
kitty.
Kitty? I vote Batman.
I vote kitty.
Oh, we'll have to get a tiebreaker.
Is that Kitty Cat Island?
Ah, no, you know, it looks like a fish.
Oh, it's a fish.
Yeah.
Oh, it does look like a fish.
Yeah, you
But
can,
upside down, it looks like a cat.
yeah, you're right. I've never thought about it, but you're right.
All right.
Batman doesn't have a tail.
You're right.
Or
Batman
wings.
doesn't have a tail. It's
So
over here.
how can that be Batman?
It can't be. You're right. Thank you.
So you can choose the language here. Just have a look at the menu, and then you try to choose one of the dishes, and you can see virtually how they look like. Perfect.
Signature bread basket. Whoa! Look at that, eh? Matchbox. Whoa, what is yours? It's really actually pretty simple with an iPad and
Yeah.
a projector, but it's just so
Exactly.
cool. You can't even pick up the silverware though. How are you going to eat all the light? Can you believe that you're ordering fake food at the world's only 7-star hotel?
I know. I just ordered a cup of coffee because I was hungry.
Did I really do want coffee though? Should we go get coffee? All right, Ellie. You ready to head out?
Oh, yeah. Bye-bye.
Whoa! Okay, this is really cool, but let's be honest. This is what happens when people aren't willing to spend 25 grand a night for a hotel room. It gets turned into a museum and they make money off of us. So, still really cool though.
I want to stay here forever.
You want to stay here forever? All right, I'll see you later. Look, Ellie. I just noticed this in the distance. So way out here, if you look, you can see the world islands. So they tried to make a world map out in the ocean years ago, and then the funding ran out, so now there's only like 3 things on it. But it's still really cool. It's like the whole world map out on the island. Do you want to try some dates and Arabic coffee? I'll share with you. Thank you. Okay, it's kind of like a giant raisin.
Look, I hate raisins.
Try, just try that. It's like candy. She loves it.
No, I don't.
Thank you. Try. Too acidic? I like it.
Thank you for watching. make sure to like and subscribe.
Good reminder. So all of these guys are now subscribing to our YouTube channel, and you should too. Are you gonna do it? Yeah. Pull out your phone. Come on. What are you doing? You're looking at the camera. You gotta be on it too.
Yeah, exactly.
All right. All right. They all subscribed. You should too. They all want to keep Ellie, so I guess you're gonna stay here, Ellie.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think everyone would be happy. They seem to really like having you there. Looking.
Just bring my whole family.
Just bring the whole family. I think they only want you.
No, also my family.
Okay.
We give you the room in Burj Al Arab.
Yeah, you stay here. We arrange for you all.
Do you want a room in the hotel?
Yeah.
I wanna stay here.
Yeah.
That would be cool.
But I don't even have money.
That would be a fun video, but we can't afford that, so we should go. Can you say thank you, Anna?
Thank you, Anna.
You're welcome. It was a pleasure to meet you.
Thank you so much. You too.
Bye.
For a 7-star hotel, I guess they're not gonna just completely have a terrible tour. It was really, really cool. Let's see one of the nicest places in the hotel, and Ellie made a bunch of friends, which sounds right. And we got a bunch of people to subscribe to the YouTube channel. So didn't expect that, but there you go. Pretty cool. So if you guys are watching, you guys are awesome. Thank you so much.
Daddy, get out of here.
Look at this. Every single room is this cool. Every single room. I am blown away by how cool that was. 20 years ago, this was the most incredible hotel in the world. And weirdly enough, I think 20 years later, it might still be the most incredible hotel in the world. Like, it's hard to beat making your own island because you want a place like this. It's just, it's mind-boggling that people are at a point where they can just do that kind of thing. It just makes me think about just the world and how we as people are so much smaller than God. And it just blows my mind that we are capable of this. How much more is Jesus capable of doing so much more in our life? So that just blows me away. I've loved getting to see this. I know Ellie has too. Don't get used to it because we can't live a life this fancy normally, okay? Look, it really is a fish island.
Or a kitty cat.
No, it's a fish.
Upside down, it's a cat.
All right, I'm going back to Batman if you don't change to fish.
Cat.
Ugh.